Mixamo automates a lot of the tedious work, so you can focus on making great animations for your games, and the Maya Auto Control Rig script is another tool in your arsenal. With it, you can automatically build a control rig for any auto-rigged character, allowing you to adjust Mixamo animations or craft your own without the hassle of building the control rig yourself. You'll first need the Auto Control Rig script, which can be found in the My Software section of the user menu. Download and unzip. To install, simply place the Maya Auto Control Rig folder in your Maya Scripts directory. For easy use, we recommend creating a shelf icon. Open the script editor, make sure you are in the Python tab, and choose File, Load Script. Select the Mixamo Maya Control Rig version number.py file and open. The Python tab will populate with the script text. To dock the script onto a shelf, press Ctrl-A to select all of the text, then use your middle mouse wheel to drag the text onto the shelf and create a new icon. We've created an icon for you to use included in the zip. You can now open the Auto Control Rig menu anytime by simply clicking the icon on the shelf. To use the script, you'll need an auto-rigged character. If you haven't auto-rigged before, it's an automatic process which will build a skeleton and skin your mesh to it. Download your auto-rigged character in FBX format. Your characters can always be found in the My Character section of the user menu. Import your T-Pose character FBX into Maya. Click the script shortcut on your shelf to open the Auto Control Rig script interface. Press the Rig Character button to create a control rig for your character. Your character now has a full control rig you can use to create custom animations with. If your character was created in Fuse and had facial blend shapes enabled during auto rigging, then you'll also have a facial control rig added to your character. You can create custom animations on the control rig, but you may also want to start from an existing Mixamo animation and just tweak it. You can import an animation directly onto the control rig. Download your animation on your original auto-rigged character in FBX format with the skeleton only option turned on. Back in Maya, use the Python shortcut on your shelf to open the control rig script interface and navigate to the Animate tab. Click the Import Animation button and browse to your animated FBX file. The animation is automatically imported and copied to your control rig, and you can now customize it as you'd like. In version 1.6.0, we've added a facial control rig to the script. This is automatically generated for any Fuse character who has been auto-rigged with the Enable Facial Blend Shapes option. You can manipulate the blend shapes of your Fuse character using the simple visual interface. Just click on the control and use the transforms to adjust. Most controls manipulate both the left and right side, such as cheek puff. Moving the control up and down will manipulate the right side, while moving left and right will manipulate the left. Some controls manipulate a lot more, such as the lip sync control. This will actually use smile, narrow, whistle, frown, and jaw animations to give you full mouth control for easy lip sync animating. You can use the individual controls to create asymmetry and fine-tune. When you're done creating or customizing your animations, the scripts also include options for exporting. On the Export tab, you'll find options to remove end joints, reduce keyframes on non-essential joints, and whether to include the mesh with the animation export. We've also added new batching options for importing and exporting animations in bulk. Batch import and export will use the same settings that are on the Rig and Export tabs. To batch import, first select either the T-Pose FBX download from Mixamo or the Maya save file of a character that has already had the Auto Control Rig script used to rig. Then, browse to the animation you want to use. The Browse option will ask you to select a folder and will give a list of all of the FBX files available in that folder. You can use the Shift and Control selection to pick the files you want to use. Finally, select a folder you want to save the imported animations into. When you bulk import, the character will be given a control rig, and then each animation will be imported to that rig and saved in its own Maya scene. If you've downloaded dozens of animations from Mixamo, this is a great way to save time by getting all of your animations set up for custom animation work. Batch importing takes about 30 seconds per imported animation. After you've customized the animations in the Maya scenes, you can also then batch export them back to FBX. Browse to the animations you want to use. The Browse option will ask that you select a folder and will give a list of all of the Maya scenes available in that folder. You can again use Shift and Control selection to pick the files you want to use. You also have an option to create play blasts, quick rendered videos of each animation. These can be a great way to quickly share the animation with team members. Select the folder you want to save your play blasts and exported FBX animations into, and then hit the Export button. The Maya Control Rig script is a great way to quickly build up an advanced rig for custom animation work, import animations and customize them, and rapidly export them for sharing and integration into your project. We can't wait to see what you make with Mixamo. Visit us at the Mixamo community, where you can find other tutorials, ask questions in the forums, and vote on future product ideas. Check out our blog to stay up to date on the latest developments and upcoming releases, and follow us on social media to get inspired with quick tips and industry news.